Under your supervision, full self-driving can drive your Tesla almost anywhere. Supervised self-driving makes your Tesla safer, using 8 cameras that provide the AI with a 360-degree view of the car. The 8 cameras feed into a computer composed of custom neural net chips trained by millions of humans driving over 1 billion miles. FSD learned to drive by watching millions of humans drive over 1 billion miles on many different types of roadways, including curves, intersections, turns, roundabouts, and highways. When FSD is engaged, the steering wheel icon turns blue, and a blue line representing the AI's chosen path appears in the virtualization. Automatic set speed offset allows autopilot to drive your Tesla at the speed that it determines is most natural. This considers factors like road type, traffic flow, environmental conditions, speed limit, and the selected FSD profile. Tesla's FSD V12 works like a human brain using neural nets and eyes. The eyes of the system are 8 cameras, 5 looking forward and 3 looking back, providing a 360-degree view around the car. The 8 eyes feed into a brain composed of custom neural net chips trained by millions of humans driving over 1 billion miles. FSD learned to drive from watching millions of humans drive over 1 billion miles. The screen in every Tesla shows what the car brain is thinking, allowing you to look into the FSD mind. The visualization represents FSD's interpretation of the world around the car. The blue line tells you what FSD plans to do. After years of promising full self-driving, Tesla finally appears to crack the elusive technology that would allow cars to drive autonomously. The FSD Beta V12, the first end-to-end AI variant, has been hyped as mind-blowing by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Not that this means anything. Musk has been saying the same thing for all the major FSD beta versions in recent years. However, as the FSD Beta V12 started rolling out to customer vehicles as version 12.3, it has been unanimously praised for its human-like performance. As videos and reviews were shared on social media, it became clear that Tesla was finally onto something with its self-driving software. Perhaps not close to the robotaxi level, but firmly on the path to achieve autonomous driving rather soon. Indeed, those who tried the new software build reported hours of autonomous driving without human intervention or disengagements. If the FSD Beta can control the car in various scenarios for hours without making mistakes, isn't it ready to perform without human supervision? FSD Beta version 12.3, as revealed by many enthusiastic reviews, is so smooth and capable that it seems perfect. Some people have already used the new version to drive for several days in a row without having to intervene. Tesla full self-driving FSD users have passed a significant milestone. Tesla drivers have driven over 1 billion miles on FSD. That's a cumulative number of miles that exceeds the distance between the Earth and Saturn. Tesla's Model Y just aced its safety exams, earning the highest possible score from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. Model Y received the highest overall score among any vehicle tested under Euro NCAP's newest, most stringent test protocol. This was based on an evaluation of Model Y's ability to protect adults, children, and vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians, as well as its safety assistance features. The Tesla Model Y has broken through another price barrier, with the popular EV now cheaper than the average price paid for a new car or truck in the USA, shattering the concept that electric vehicles are too expensive for mainstream adoption. The implications of achieving full autonomy are immense. The potential benefits are significant, from a decrease in traffic accidents to the possibility of a fully automated taxi service. However, reaching this future is not just a matter of technological achievement. It also involves overcoming regulatory hurdles, societal acceptance, and a host of ethical considerations. Some say that Tesla's full self-driving FSD is getting better at driving like a human and has features that resemble human-like driving capabilities. For example, FSD 12.1 has single-stack neural nets that are trained with millions of video clips for driving controls. This allows the car to learn how a good human driver would handle situations, and the car stays the course. FSD 12.3 also seems to see pedestrians and other obstructions better than a human can. FSD's been pushed out to, I think, around 1.8 million vehicles, and we're seeing about half of people use it so far, and that percentage is increasing with each passing week. So, We now have over 300 million miles that have been driven with FSD V12 since the launch of supervised full self-driving. It's become very clear that the vision-based approach with end-to-end neural networks is the right solution for scalable autonomy, Musk said. The launch of FSD, Supervised, V12 could very well be a breakthrough for the electric vehicle maker's efforts to collect real-world data for its autonomous driving efforts. As observed by industry watchers on social media, it took FSD about 3.5 years to reach 1 billion miles. In the span of just a few months, another 300 million miles was achieved. It would then be unsurprising if FSD reaches 2 billion cumulative miles in the next few months. Lake Michigan is one of Kenosha's most popular attractions. Nearly 90% of our Lake Michigan shoreline is publicly accessible, with beaches, parks, biking and walking paths, a sculpture walk, lighthouses, and festival places welcoming you. Simmons Island Beach is a popular, wide, sandy beach on Lake Michigan in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It's located at 5001 Simmons Island Drive and is wheelchair accessible. The beach has a boardwalk that connects to a pier with views of the North Pier Lighthouse, and there's also space for volleyball, picnics, and playgrounds.